Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you that how you can create circle text in Adobe Illustrator. So guys, step by step I will show you that how you can create circle text and also how you can create logo using that kind of text. So guys, stay connected and I will show you step by step that how you can do that. Let's start. So this is our Illustrator, and what we are going to do, let's take any one of these. So I'm going to take this size and then click here. Now what I'll do is, first we need to just create a guide path. For example, ellipse. I will take this circle and then let's make something like this. If you press shift and drag it, then you can make it smaller. Now the next step is, just you need to go to here text, and then you need to click this one, this type tool, second one. Click here and then just click on this. You can see a sample text has been wrapped inside this. So for example, if I write here is Softech Academy, now so let's make it bigger. You can see this kind of text you can create. So is Softech Academy, the leading software training institute in India. This kind of text you can create here. But that you can now also so if you want, then we can do one thing. Just to, let's go to here text, and then once again just select this text, and then for this text we can increase the font size. But if you increase the font size, it won't look better, it won't look good. So you can write this kind of text also, and apart from that you can of course change the color of this one. For example, if I change color like this, so you can see you can make changes like this. Now what I'll do, I just click once again on this and then create a shape something like this, and then now put inside this. So now you can see this is inner circle, and now what I will do, I will create one outer circle also. Just drag it. That means if you press alt key, keep pressing alt key and then drag, so you can make it duplicate. Or the second method is just copy paste, Control C Control V, that way also you can make it make the duplicate. So now what I'll do, just go here and then overlap on this. Now we need to make it let's close it, and then let's take stroke. So stroke color, maybe the stroke color we can take different like this. So you can see the outer circle, there is outer circle. And similarly, if you want to make it outer circle like this, and if you want to close it, then you can make something like this also. And now if I just click on here the text, and I'll type here something like logo here. So you're going to put your logo in center section here, and then stylize, take another font, whatever you want. You can create something like this. So as you can see, this circle text is really very useful. That's it in this video. Stay connected. In the next video I will bring you something interesting in the next video also. So guys, stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye bye.